Hey guys, 4th of August today, and yeah, we're on lockdown, stage 4 still, and yeah, it's the third day of lockdown, and the thing is, we're gonna go full on lockdown by Thursday, so it's gonna commence Wednesday night. That some shops will be closed, like Kmart and all the rest of the shops. So it's bad. Like, I always go to Kmart, get some supplies and everything, and Laura's work, she needs to go to Kmart and get some stuff there. So like, it's closed, but the good thing is there are less idiots out there who's spreading the virus. Less people will be outdoors and will try to pacify this shit. So like, yeah, it's somehow a good thing. It's hard for those working, and yeah, because some of them might be losing their job or something. But yeah, like, the virus is out of hand here in Victoria right now. Like, it sucks. Some knucklehead just spread the virus everywhere. It's anyway, yeah. So today, I doubt if I can make anything with the situation now in Victoria. And the situation now, and it's also cold. It was hailing earlier. Wasn't able to film it because was lazy. It's cold today, but we had salmon not sinigang, salmon unan Laura made. We also have some lumpia and what else? Whatever. I'm just telling you what's going on. But yeah, it's hard for me to create content today because it's cold and it's sucky. It's nothing to create. Can't go out. It's raining. It's cold. Yeah, just stay in the house. I can make some things in the house, but there's not much story that I can produce right now. So what I can do is just make scripts after I do my studies. I also had class earlier at around 8:30. Well, I woke up late, but I'm gonna review the recording of the class. So yeah, so hope all you guys stay comfy out there, and or if you're in Australia or something, stay warm and comfy. If you're in Cebu, stay dry, because I reckon it's raining there, right? Is it rainy days? I'm not sure. I can ask Siri, but nah. Okay, so yeah, that's just it. So I'm gonna cut this vlog right now and collate with the others. We'll have a new day tomorrow. It'll be different than today, I hope. Yeah. Cheers. Bye. Itaktak sander.
Saan ka pagtaktak sa
Can you open you? The red thing, pull it down. Say hi to the camera. What are you doing? No, what are you doing?
I don't know what I'm doing.
What are you doing?
Kasi matanggal siya tanan. Kasi ako mahulog ang kuan, ang kanang boto, ang
Dili.
tube.
Okay, Laura just finished Laura just finished vacuuming the floor, and I told her to press the eject button. That way, I was thinking of her just chucking the dirt off the vacuum cleaner, and she did it there. And yeah, it spilled out there.
I hate you.
Story of my life. Yeah. So yeah, every day your life is I don't know. I can't say. Yeah, so that's how life is. She thought it was to eject the bottom of the vacuum cleaner, but actually it was just to open the hatch to throw the dirt away. So it spilled there in front, all the dust and everything else. Okay guys, bye.